Alright folks, we have a brand new bunk style camper from Coachmen. It's a Catalina Legacy Edition one, and I'll tell you, it's got a cool layout, just really nice. So right here, we're going to fill your propane tanks for you. We're going to get you a brand new battery right there. Look at that, auto leveling on a travel trailer. What can you do? You turn it on, you hit auto level, does a little dance, levels it up for you. Heated and closed underbelly. You can see it's got a 12-volt shut-off switch right there. You got a nice pass-through storage, so you got lots of storage room right there. It's already got a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Nice big storage. These light up, so you got light on the outside there too. Nice big long awning there with the color changing lights. Tankless water heater. Check this out. So that stays up there with the magnet. You have a little mini fridge here, right? Then you have your griddle that pulls out. And then there you can put a nice big TV outside too. So if you like hanging outside with the family, there you go. See, there's the auto levels. And then nice looking rims. JBL audio, of course. Both ends have flip-up ladders. A lot of brands don't do that. You got the flip-in steps on both ends. You can put a 2-inch receiver hitch here. We sell them. It's just bolt-on, so you can put a bike rack there. If you need some storage, look right underneath the bunks from the back end. You should throw all your stuff in there. I'd be bringing fishing poles. More storage on the outside. Let's see what this looks like here. Yep, even more right here. Hot and cold water outside shower. Yeah, I know I missed that TV spot on the other side. I'll pop it open for you in a minute here. And then your power, city water, cable hookup. And, you know, outside shower, you can use it to spray off your feet or give the dog some water, but you can actually hang it up right there too and actually use it like a shower. Then you got the huge panoramic window right there that looks so good from the inside. I'll tell you. So let me see if I could open this right here for you. So it flips down so you could use it like a little table. You don't want to be sitting on it, but it does have these heavy duty cables. But see, you got TV hookup right there. And you don't want to do the TV? Bring me a TV, I'll mount it for you. No problem. All right, let's go check out the inside now. Whoa, almost lost the camera. All right, so right away when you walk in, the master bedroom is to the right, queen bed. You see all the storage you have there. Nice little spot for your coffee pot or a blender, if you know what I mean. Storage under the bed, right? Queen bed, hanging storage on each side right there. Spot for a TV right here. Again, bring me a TV and a mount, I'll hang it up for you. All right, you got hanging storage on each side, storage over the top. Now, check out this floor plan. You got a peninsula right here, nice big sink, high-rise pull-out faucet, right? So this comes out. And then oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, storage up top, nice big 10.7 cubic foot fridge. You could fit a lot of stuff in there. And then before I get to the cool part here, I'm going to show you this side. Nice big U-shaped dinette. There's that cool panoramic window, right? You got working windows on the side, big panoramic window, more working windows over there so you can get a cross breeze. Right here, you're going to sit across from what? Storage, huge fireplace. I don't know if you can tell from here. And then a monster TV. I think it says, let's see if it says on the paper here, but right there you got like a pantry. 65-inch TV it says. That's cool. I don't know if you could tell from, but man, it's big. So right here, storage, storage, storage. Bathrooms here, more storage, but that TV, man, you could see that from London. So There's the storage door down there for under the bed. Two nice big full-size bunks. We're gonna head off into the bathroom here, but USB and USB-C chargers for both bunks. Lights on there too. Ladder to get up. Door to go into the bathroom. You got a foot flush porcelain toilet. Shower surround. Skylight. 14 by 22 skylight. And then you have the fan, of course. Medicine cabinet. Boy, they even put a toothbrush and soap holder right there. And there's your sink, some plugs. And then, of course, your thermostat. Now, up in this air conditioner up here, it also has a heat pump. I'll show you on this little chart here. And you can pause and read it if you'd like. But AC with heat pump. Now, heat pumps used to only go down to 45 degrees. Since they developed it down to 25, now you can really take the chill out of the air. If you don't want to use your propane heat, you could use electric heat right there. Oh, another thing on the sink I forgot, there's a glass rinser. So if you just drink a little water or something and you want to rinse it out, just flip your glass over on top of that and push down, and there you go. Woohoo! Man, all that for such a super price. I'll tell you can't beat it. That's just an average, kind of, you know, I mean, with that much down, North Dakota tax and license included. If you're Minnesota or a different state, your tax might be different. But there it is. What a cool layout. Now, last but not least, this is really neat. So, you want to hang out, put your feet up, grab this guy, roll it out. I'm going to try to, here, I'll step back so you can see. Pull it out first, lift and pull, lift, pull, drop, and now you got a nice little lounge. That's really slick. I'm going to try to see if I can hold the camera back here so you can see it. Lift it in, drop it down, close it up. I hope that was on camera because that is a pretty slick mechanism. So you can sit there and, you know, I'm not going to put my feet up, but I'm going to check this out. Oh man, it's just like at home. Nice big TV. Well, there it is, folks. Any other questions, give me a shout, call, email, text. It's the bunk camper to have this year. Thank you.